Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how I play all three banjo parts to Old Town Road. The banjo is tuned G, D, G, B, D. And for the first part, I'm going to play some two-note chords. The first chord is A flat. We'll make that chord by holding down string 2 and string 3 at fret 1. And we'll pick the chords like this. We'll take those two strings and pick them simultaneously like this. We'll do it twice. Then we'll move to the second fret on string 2 and fret 4 on string 3 and pluck it twice. For the next chord, we'll go to fret 2 on string 2 and fret 4 on string 4 and play it this way. Next, we'll go to fret 2 on string 2 and fret 2 on string 4 and do the same thing. Here's how we'll play it. Now we can play these chords the exact same way on the guitar because of the way the guitar is tuned. The banjo is tuned G, D, G, B, D. The guitar is tuned E, A, D, G, B, E. That means that the D string, G string, and B string are tuned exactly the same way that the banjo is tuned. String 2 is B, string 3 is G, and string 4 is D, exactly the same way the banjo is tuned. Did you know that? Neither did I. The second banjo part will be played by moving to string 2 and picking fret 9 and fret 7 like this. Our third part will be played like this. For that part, we're going to go to fret 8 on string 1, fret 9 on string 2, back to fret 7, and then fret 9. Here we go. 8, 9, 7, 9. So it's well, all right. Those are the easy banjo parts in Old Town Road. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.